Ground control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. Ground control to Major Tom.
7, 6.
Commencing countdown, engines on.
3, 2.
Check ignition and may God's love be with you. This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade, and the papers want to know whose shirts you wear. Now it's time to leave the capsule if you dare. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door, and I'm floating in a most peculiar way, and the stars look very different today. For here am I sitting in a tin can. Spaceship knows which way to go. Tell my wife I love her very much. She knows. Ground control to Major Tom. Your circuit's dead. There's something wrong. Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear
what time it was, the lights were low. Oh, oh. I leaned back on my radio. Oh, oh. Some cat was laying down some rock and roll, not a soul, he said. Then the loud sound, it seemed to fade. Came back like a slow voice on a wave of fate. That wasn't no DJ, that was hazy cosmic jive.
There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie.
Switch on the TV, we may pick him up on channel 2. Look out your window, I can see his light. If we can sparkle, he may land tonight. Don't tell your papa, or he'll get us locked up in flight.
There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie. Starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie. Ziggy played guitar, jamming good with Weird and Gilly and the Spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far. Became the special man, then we were Ziggy's band. Ziggy really sang, screwed up eyes and screwed down hairdo, like some cat from Japan. He could lick 'em by smiling, he could leave 'em to hang. They came on so loaded, man,
well hung in snow white tan. So where were the spiders while the fly tried to break our bones? Well, just the beer like to guide us. So we bitched about his fans and should we crush his sweet hands. Oh. Ziggy played for time, jiving us that we were voodoo. The kids were just crass. He was the Nas with God-given ass. He took it all too far, but boy, could he play guitar. Making love with his ego, Ziggy is sucked up into his mind, like a leper messiah. When the kids had killed the man, I had to break up the band. Oh yeah. Ziggy played guitar. Oh yeah. Still don't know what I was waiting for, and my time was running wild, a million dead-end streets, and every time I thought I got it made, it seemed the taste was not so sweet. So I turned myself to face me, but I've never caught a glimpse how the others must see the faker. I'm much too fast to take that test. Changes. Turn and face the strange. Changes. Don't wanna be a richer man. Changes. Turn and face the strange. Changes. It's gonna have to be a different man. Time may change me, but I can't trace time. Watch the ripples change the size, but never leave the stream of warm and permanent sand. So the days float through my eyes, but still the days seem the same. And these children that you spit on as they try to change their worlds are immune to your consultations. They're quite aware of what they're going through. Changes. Turn and face the strange. Changes. Don't tell them to grow up out of it. Changes. Turn and face the strange. Changes. Where's your shame? You've left us up to our next event. Time may change me, but you can't twist time. Strange fascination, fascinating me. Our changes are taking the pace I'm
change me, but I can't trace time. I said that time may change me, but I can't trace time.
Dolphins can swim. Though nothing will keep us together. We can beat them forever and ever. Oh, we can be heroes just for one day.
And you
nothing much to offer. There's nothing much to take. I'm an absolute beginner. But I'm absolutely sane. As long as we're together, the rest can go to hell. I absolutely love you. But we're absolute beginners. Eyes completely open, but nervous all the same. If our love song could fly over mountains, could lap up the ocean, just like the hills, there's no nothing much could happen. Nothing we can't shake. Oh, we're absolute beginners. With nothing much at stake. As long as you're still smiling, there's nothing more I need. I absolutely love you. But we're absolute beginners. Your love, we're certain to succeed. If our love song could fly over mountains, could sail over heartache, just like the films. If there's reason to feel all the hard times, to lay down the
again. She began to wail, jealousy scream, waiting at the lights, lowered on me. Scary monsters, super creeps, keep me running, running scared. Scary monsters, super creeps, keep me running, running scared. She asked me to stay and I stole a room. She asked for my love and I gave her a dangerous mind. Now she's stupid in the street and she can't socialise. Well, I love the little girl and I love her till the day she dies. She wails, Jimmy's guitar sound, jealousy scream, waiting up the lights, lowered on me. Scary monsters, super creeps, keep me running, running scared. Scary monsters, super creeps, keep me running, running scared. Scary monsters, super creeps, keep me running, running scared. Scary monsters, super creeps, keep me running, running scared.
Okay, Tokyo, South America, Australia, France, Germany, UK, Africa. Calling out around the world, are you ready for a brand new beat? Summer's here and the time is right.
So Brazil,
Back in the USSR, don't matter where you are, all we need is music, sweet music. There'll be music everywhere. There'll be swing and swaying, records playing, dancing in the street. Oh, it doesn't matter what you wear, just as long as you are there. So come on, every guy, grab a girl. Everywhere around the world, they'll be dancing. They're dancing in the street. Way down in LA, every day, dancing in the street. Crossing China too, me and you, dancing in the street. Don't you know they'll be dancing, dancing in the street? Don't you know?
I just really need you. Always need to meet you. You're always awful strong. Days of life is within the sun. Oh no, dear. Oh no, dear. You know I need some loving. Touch me. Down. I'm only dancing. She turns me on. But I'm only dancing. She turns me on. Don't get me wrong. I'm only dancing. Shattered love was pretty clean, like so well from the scene. I saw you watching from the stairs. You're everyone that ever cared. Oh no, dear. Oh no, dear. You know I need some loving. Touch me. I'm only dancing. She turns me on. But I'm only dancing. She turns me on. But don't get me wrong. I'm only dancing. I'm only dancing. She turns me on. But I'm only dancing. She turns me on. But don't get me wrong. I'm only dancing. Leave me alone, you know. Oh, Henry, get off the phone. I got the straight on my face. This mellow like chicks just put my spine out of place. My school is insane. My work's down the drain. Well, she's a total blam blam. She said she had to squeeze it, but and then she, oh, don't lean on me, man, 'cause you can't afford the ticket. Back from Selkirk City. Oh, don't lean on me, man, 'cause you ain't got time to check it. No, my Selkirk City was out of sight. It's a god-awful small affair to the girl with the mousy hair, but her mummy is yelling no, and her daddy has told her to go. But her friend is nowhere to be seen. Now she walks through her sunken dream to the seat with the clearest view, and she's hooked to the silver screen. But the film is a sad thing for she's lived it 10 times or more. She could spit in the eyes of fools if they ask her to focus on sailors fighting in the dance hall. Oh man, look at those cavemen go. It's the freakiest show. Take a look at the low man beating up the wrong guy. Oh man, wonder if you'll ever know who's in the best-selling show. Is there life on Mars? It's on America's tortured brow that Mickey Mouse has grown up a cow. And now the workers have struck for fame, 'cause Lennon's on sale again. See the mice in their million hordes, from Ibiza to the Norfolk Broads. Rule Britannia is out of bounds, to my mother, my dog and clowns. But the film is a sad thing more, 'cause I wrote it 10 times or more. It's about to be writ again, as I ask you to focus on sailors fighting in the dance hall. Oh man, look at those cavemen go. It's the freakiest show. Take a look at the low man beating up the wrong guy. Oh man, wonder if you'll ever know who's in the best-selling show. Is there life on Mars?
But pulled in just behind the bridge, he lays her down. He frowns, gee, my life's a funny thing. Am I still too young? He kissed her then and there. She took his ring, took his babies. It took him minutes, took her nowhere. Heaven knows he'd have taken anything. All night. She wants a young American. The young American standing right through the picture window. She finds a slinky vagabond. He love says it passes avoiding my sting, but heaven forbid she's taking the thing. But the freak and the stifle for nothing. This is a step and cuts his hand, but showing nothing, it swoops like a song. She cries, where have all Papa's heroes gone? All night. She wants a young American.
Young American, young American. She wants the young American. All right.
Well, she wants a young American. All the way from Washington. Her breadwinner begs off the bathroom floor. We live for just these 20 years. Do we have to die for the 50 more? And all right, he wants a young American.
Young American,
Yes, he does.
young American. He wants the young American.
All right,
All right.
well, he wants a young American. Do you remember your President Nixon? Do you remember the bills you have to pay, or even yesterday? Have you been on America? Just you and your idle simple set so loud. Leather, leather everywhere, and not a miss left from the ghetto. Well, 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 would you carry your visa? In case, just in case of depression. Sit on your hands on the bus of survivors, blushing at all the Afro-Sheilas. Ain't that close to love? Well, ain't that close to love? Well, it ain't that Barbie doll. Her heart's been broken just like you